Hello everyone, if your Microsoft Store apps will not update, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Microsoft Store apps not updating on your computer easily. So first off, you need to make sure that your date and time are synced with the internet. So you're going to come here, you're going to right click on your date and time, click adjust date and time, and just click sync now on here and wait for it to sync. And after it's synced, what you're going to do now is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run. You're going to write here wsreset.exe, press OK. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here PowerShell. Make sure to run it as administrator. Click yes on here. Here, you're going to put this command in first. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to put this command in then. And once you put in both of these commands, what you're going to do now is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done with the restart, now when you open up Microsoft Store on your computer, you'll see that you can update your apps normally now. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.